Okay, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to make something in Mastercam. It's for dog tags, because I'm tired of teaching people how to do dog tags. So in this special dog tag program, we got pockets and we got contours. Contours are just lines, and pockets make like thicker lines basically, or like an area of white in shapes, which are pretty cool. But today, it's just going to be contours. So I'm going to make the troll face. We want to put it in here. But I don't know how to put an image in there. So if we go to run add-in right here, roster, okay, not this one. We were looking for roster to vector. Not find overlap. Let's see. rast2vec.dll. Open. You select yes. And you're going to find the image you want. So for me, I'm going to find the troll face, because that's what I want to put on there. I add it in here. We drag this slider basically till it's what we want it to be. Put as much as we want. That looks about right, so I click OK, and then I just click check because I have everything preset. It's gonna generate the contours, as you can see right here, and we're gonna wait for the 42 contours. So it's a simple shape, which is pretty cool. So we got this. We click the check over here, like so, and then we exit raster to vector. So then the image goes away. Now we have the troll face. It's absolutely stunning. So there are multiple things we're gonna have to do to it to make it fit my dog tag template down here. Highlight it. So now we got highlighted, we can transform it. And we're going to do scale because we know it's too big. Actually, it's right there. So with the numbers, we're gonna manipulate the scale down until it looks like, and so now we've got it down to about what we want, maybe a little bit more. It's always good, best to go under. You can play with that later. And so we got this. Remember to make it to move. So it gets rid of it. Now we got a small troll face. Do this. To move it, we're going to use dynamic. Dynamic. Highlight it again. And then we click end selection. And then we can move it. We click it towards the center. Click it again. We can move it into the dog tag. And then boom. Now it's in there. So I'm going to... Okay, so once you get it to where you want it, you're gonna go to the geometry portion of the contour, and you're gonna right-click this thing right here, and you click Add. You click the window. You're gonna create your window over your troll face. That was not good enough. Actually, that worked pretty well. Well, if you want to manually add it, this chain, what it does, you can click certain shapes. It will just tell you the toolpath. So that's also useful in case it doesn't catch it. I accidentally sketched a window, but normally you want to sketch a window over it and it gets them all, but you can also manually do it, and then you click the check mark when you got all the chains you want. It's going to look like a mess, don't worry about it. That's just showing you where the mill is going to go. And then you get all those chains, you do this, you're going to regenerate with this play button over there, right there. It's going to just go show some lines. Right now it's showing there's no errors, so we're good. Which means you hit this G1 right here. What that does, it changes this into a language that your machine will understand, the .nc file for your Haas milling machine. I'm gonna click no, because right now, the only thing I post is the contour. I don't need the pockets, so this is for posting all. We're only gonna post the one. And you save it as whatever you want, so I'm gonna call it troll. And then we save it. So once you good, you're gonna open Code Expert. Okay, so I moved it out here into the shop. This is a computer that is physically connected to the machine. There's different ways you can do it. Sometimes you get a flash drive and move it. I've called up Code Expert here with our program. There is a transmission tab right here. You can click send, but before you do that, you gotta go to the machines. This is the computer. And if you click, wait for the bell. So if you click list program, right? Go to all. This is just saying there's an empty program. Don't mind that. So it says all. We're going to hit receive right here. It should say waiting for data. Once you go over here, again click send. This bar should start going across the screen. It says it has. So we go here and we go to memory. Set. Says trolls. This means it's good. If you have your offsets good, you got the program, and you're all set. Show you what it looks like now. Last thing is you're gonna notice if your program says that the Z is at 0, you'll have to change the wear when you set your Z down just a little bit to engrave. So when you set the Z0 with the paper trick, you're going to have to put wear. Just remember that. Once you're done, you will have your very own troll face dog tag. That's all.